Hello and welcome back to Investing for Generations, your channel for high quality stock research for long-term value investor. And today I want to give you my weekly update for the week 1 of 2021. And you also found this in the past included in some analysis of stocks. From this year on, I want to make one time a week just a video about the performance of my portfolio, just to exclude this a little bit and make it maybe a little bit more clear and more transparent. And so we start here today with the performance of my portfolio in the first week of 2021. And first of all, I want to give you a look of all the positions in my portfolio and the pie of my portfolio. And you see there is quite a big chunk of 20% of cash right now. My biggest position is the Bank of Nova Scotia, and then followed by Intel, Berkshire, and so on. And you find on my channel deeper analysis of all of these businesses. I go there into the business model, the financial numbers, the management, and then also explain why and when I bought my shares and also calculate the intrinsic value of every of these businesses. So feel free to check this out. Here up on the screen you find a link to the playlist of my portfolio. In the first week of January it was quite a slow start of the year. Didn't make any moves this week. No buys, no sells. Really nothing happened. And of course it's very difficult to find good businesses for reasonable prices with this overall overvalued stock market. But remember, yesterday I made a video with 3 stocks which are undervalued right now. Check also this out. You also find the link here up on the screen. And of course, this is a goal for me overall, just to find good businesses for reasonable prices. And so in the first week of January, I received dividends also. First of all, I got $27.17 for PPL, a position I sold in late December but received now on January 6th the dividend of $27.17. And also I received my dividend of Imperial Oil of $22.52. So quite a little bit of cash flow at the start of the year. And with this, just go on with the weekly performance of my portfolio. In the last week, my portfolio gained 2.04% compared to 1.83% of the S&P 500, so slightly outperformance. So quite a good start of the year. And the biggest winner of the first week of January was Imperial Oil with a performance of over 15% in the last week, followed by Wells Fargo, Chevron, and JP Morgan. So you can say the oil companies with a rising oil price and the banks was a winner of this week. And the biggest loser by far was the Coca Cola company. They got some downgrades by analysts, and so Coca Cola almost lost 7% last week. This is a view on the weekly performance of my stocks, and so overall was quite a good first week of the year. And then just take a look at the overall performance of my portfolio since the start at the 2nd of December 2019. So this portfolio, this North American portfolio, runs now a little bit more than a year, a little bit over 13 months now. And in this time, my stocks really performed very, very well. The leader here is the Walt Disney Company with over 76%, followed by Caterpillar, Facebook, and so on. You can see it here. And just as a reminder, you find deeper analysis to all of these companies on my channel. And overall, this portfolio have a performance of 44.43% since the 2nd of December 2019. And this is quite a great outperformance to the S&P 500, which have a performance of 22.83% in the same time span. And so portfolio outperforms the S&P 500 by around 22%, which is really a great result, even more if you see that I don't be invested so heavily in the tech sector. And so I'm happy so far, so good. And that's, of course, is a goal also for the future, just to find good or great businesses for reasonable prices. And therefore, I will analyze every week one or two companies and then also we'll make a video out of that. And that's a goal, just to find good companies for good prices and then just add to my portfolio. That's the whole goal, and we will see how this will work out over the long term. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video and got some value, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on my road. And if you really liked the video, please give me a big thumbs up. This helps the YouTube algorithm and my little channel so much. Ring the notification bell and tell all your friends that here is a community rising of almost 700 people now, and just follow me on my road to financial freedom. So, see you then. Take care. Bye bye.